Hi guys, and welcome to my vlog. Today I am making a skinny chicken salad. So here I start by shredding a chicken breast. And we are going to need 3 cups of finely shredded chicken, and this recipe makes for 6 servings. Now I pour all of the chicken into the bowl. Here I am using light Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I'm going to use a half a cup. Now I chop and then mince a piece, about a quarter of a red onion. By the way, this chopper sucked. We add 3 tablespoons of the onion, 1 teaspoon of the celery salt. Now I mix the spices very thoroughly for best results. I add some pepper. I mix it in well. This is actually additional. The recipe does not call for grapes, but I love grapes. So I decided to drop some into my salad, just to add a little bit of sweetness. You can serve this salad in a lettuce wrap, pita, or make it a sandwich. I did neither. I just ate it right out of the bowl. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. This chicken salad came out absolutely delicious. Bye now.